go to bed now. Finally.
Wait, Carl!
Yes?
Hey, Carl, can I sleep in with your bed? I did something in my room and you don't want to know what it was.
What was it?
You don't want to know.
We're brothers. You can tell me anything.
You don't want to know.
Okay, but just so you know.
I don't care. As long as I have somewhere to sleep, I'm fine. Alright?
Okay, alright. I wanted to warn you about something.
Alright, yeah, sure. Just get in your bed. I'm gonna turn the lights off in a second. I just need to set up.
Okay, fine. You don't want
Alright,
to.
I'll go turn the lights off. That's it. I can't take it. Why am I in here? I'm gonna go back in my room. Gosh. Oh man. I forgot why I couldn't sleep in there. How did I mix that with that? I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. I don't even know how I did that. So loud. I can't take this anymore. Go.
Hey, what are you doing with that bat?
Doing what?
You were having a bat like
Bat?
this.
What bat? What
Behind
bat?
your back.
The bat behind my back? I didn't have a bat behind my back. I don't have a bat behind my back.
Yes, you did.
No, I don't. I have nothing.
What's that?
It's not there.
What's that next to that face here?
There's nothing. Go to bed. Go back to bed.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you're right. All right, then I'll shut it off. I'll shut it off. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Go back to bed. Night, little monkey. Oh, you're still up?
Yeah.
I told you to only be. I told you not to. I told you to go to sleep.
Okay,
I have nothing behind me. Just go back to bed.
you better get out of here.
Why? Why would I do?
You're gonna.
I have nothing behind my back.
I see something swinging on your
That's
leg.
not there.
You better leave now. Okay, this is my room. You better get out.
But I have nowhere to sleep. Do I have to sleep on the floor again?
Yep.
Fine. I'll shut the lights.
Sleep in the crates. Hey man, you want a blanket?
Sure.
Oh. Good night.
Thanks.
Oh yeah, he deserved that.